Welcome to Easy A Homeschool Academy.
Women who changed the world. Courage and civil rights. Today we're focusing on 3 women who stood firmly for what was right, even when it was difficult and even when they stood alone. Their stories remind us that courage does not always look loud or dramatic. Sometimes courage looks like taking one faithful step forward and then another. Let's begin our journey in the 1800s with a woman whose bravery helped lead many people to freedom. Harriet Tubman. Harriet Tubman was born into slavery in Maryland around 1822. Her early life was marked by hardship and danger, but even as a young girl, Harriet showed remarkable strength and determination. As she grew older, Harriet made a courageous decision. She escaped slavery. But what makes her story truly extraordinary is what she did next. Instead of staying safely in the North, Harriet returned again and again to the South to help others escape through a secret network known as the Underground Railroad. This was not an actual railroad, but a system of safe houses and trusted guides who helped enslaved people travel north to freedom. Harriet Tubman made approximately 13 rescue missions and helped lead around 70 people to freedom. Because of her bravery and skill, she became known as the Moses of her people. What is especially powerful about Harriet's story is that she faced enormous risk every time she returned. If she had been captured, she could have been severely punished or even killed. Yet she continued. Harriet Tubman's life offers rich lessons in courage, faith, perseverance, and helping others. Decades later, another woman would make a quiet but powerful decision that would help ignite the modern civil rights movement. Rosa Parks. In 1955, in Montgomery, Alabama, segregation laws required Black passengers to give up their bus seats to white passengers when the bus became full. One evening, a seamstress named Rosa Parks boarded a city bus after a long day of work. When the driver told her to give up her seat, she calmly refused. Rosa Parks was arrested. It is important to understand that Rosa Parks was not simply tired that day. She was a thoughtful, committed member of her community who understood the injustice of segregation. Her decision was quiet, but it was deliberate and courageous. Her arrest sparked the Montgomery bus boycott, a protest in which thousands of African Americans refused to ride the city buses for more than a year. This peaceful protest became a major turning point in the civil rights movement. Rosa Parks' story teaches us that courage can be quiet, and ordinary people can help create extraordinary change. Just a few years later, the courage of one small child will capture the attention of the entire nation. Ruby Bridges. In 1960, 6-year-old Ruby Bridges became the first Black child to integrate an all-white elementary school in New Orleans. Ruby was only in first grade. Each day, federal marshals escorted her to school because crowds of protesters gathered outside. Many shouted angry words, yet Ruby walked calmly into the building day after day. Inside the school, many parents removed their children, and for a time, Ruby was the only student in her classroom. Her teacher faithfully taught her one-on-one. Imagine the courage required for such a young child. Ruby later shared that she prayed for the people who shouted at her, Her story is a powerful example of bravery, grace, and perseverance at a very young age. As we reflect on the lives of Harriet Tubman, Rosa Parks, and Ruby Bridges, a beautiful pattern begins to emerge. None of these women were seeking fame. None of them knew just how far their actions would reach. They simply chose to do what was right in the moment placed before them. Harriet Tubman showed courageous leadership. Rosa Parks showed quiet strength. Ruby Bridges showed brave perseverance even as a child. These stories remind us that character is built in everyday choices, in moments of kindness, courage, and conviction. Thanks for taking this learning journey with me today. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep nurturing curious minds wherever you go.
As always, thank you for watching. Tell us what you want to see next. Email ezaHomeschoolacademy@yahoo.com. Like and share our videos. Please subscribe to our channel.